do some clothes washing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out the item from the basket and put it in the washer, and we're going to figure out what letter that item starts with. Do you guys remember this? That's my fuzzy sock. Sock. Sock starts with the letter S. Sock. S. Oh, how about this? This is a dress. Dress. What letter does dress start with? How about the letter D? Dress starts with the letter D. What else am I going to wash today? Oh, how about these? Underpants. We need to wash our underpants. Underpants starts with the letter U. Underpants. In they go. What is this? Oh, it's my apron. Apron starts with the letter A. Apron. Apron. One more item. Oh, we all need one of these. It's a cape. Do you clean your cape? Cape starts with the letter C. Cape. C. Time to wash. Now we're going to play a magic washing machine game. I'm going to pretend that I'm the washing machine. And I'm going to show you guys a letter. This is the letter B. B. And you're going to pretend to throw in the washing machine something that starts with the letter B. Let's try to make it a clothing item. I don't want you to wash bananas with something. Here we go. Ready? Swish, 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 swish. What can we put in here? Let's see. The letter is B. Swish, swish, swish. B. 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 Throw it in. Throw it in. What was it? I thought maybe we could put a bib in the washer. Let's find a new letter. The new letter is T. Remember, not tacos. Don't throw tacos in with the bib. Let's go. Let's move. Swish, 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 swish. Something that starts with the letter T. Swish, 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 swish. What will it be? The letter T. T, 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 T. Let's see. Throw it in. What did you throw in? I thought maybe a t-shirt or some tights. What did you throw in? Go. Let's go. The next letter is P. 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 Swish, 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 swish. Move with me. Swish, 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 swish. The letter is P. What can we throw in that begins with the letter P? Throw it in. Oh, that was a good throw. I thought maybe we could put in some pants. What did you guys think? Pants? Let's choose a new letter. This is the last one. Yep, our last letter. Are you guys ready? This letter is O. Swish, 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 swish. Move with me. Swish, swish, swish. What can it be? The letter O. Put something in that starts with the letter O. Swish, swish, swish. You ready to throw it? Throw it! into the magic washer. Good job. The letter O. You know what? I'm going to use what the picture is. It's overalls. You guys like that? You can replay it. We can play again.